हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लेके आया हूँ कुछ जॉब्स रिलेटेड टू बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स डोमेन। तो अगर आप इस फील्ड में ऑलरेडी वर्किंग हैं, लुकिंग टू स्विच अ जॉब और यू वांट टू स्टार्ट अ करियर एज अ फ्रेशर इन दिस डोमेन, देन दिस वीडियो इज अ मस्ट वॉच फॉर यू। वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे किस किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द रिक्वायर्ड स्किल्स एंड रोल्स एंड रिस्पांसिबिलिटीज दीस कंपनीज आर लुकिंग फॉर। एंड अगर आपके पास पाइथन, सीक्वल, पावर बीआई, टैबलू या अदर विजुअलाइजेशन टूल या किसी डेटा एनालिटिक्स टूल का एक्सपीरियंस है and you have also good knowledge of agile or scrum methodologies, then this video is worth watching. वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले फॉर माय न्यू ऑडियंस लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ. माय नेम इज हरीश सिंह. आई एम अ ब्लॉगर, अ यूट्यूबर एंड जॉब सर्च कंसल्टेंट एज वेल. एंड टाइम टू टाइम आपको अपने वीडियोस के थ्रू, इंस्टाग्राम पेज के थ्रू, फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू जॉब अपडेट्स अवेलेबल कराता रहता हूँ. So in future, if you do not want to lose out a single job opportunity related to domains like Power BI developer, business analytics, data science, or Python or SQL developer, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram page and my Facebook page as well. और मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे ऑलरेडी डेली जॉब अपडेट की सीरीज चल रही है जहाँ पे मैं आपको इन डोमेन्स रिलेटेड डेली जॉब अपडेट्स प्रोवाइड कराता हूँ अलॉन्ग विद जॉब एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स. तो अगर आप चाहते हैं आप कोई भी सिंगल जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिस ना करें इन डोमेन्स रिलेटेड, देन फॉलो माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज एंड माय फेसबुक पेज एज वेल. अब बढ़ते हैं अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब हैं, और जो भी जॉब हम रिव्यू करते हैं उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मैं प्रोवाइड कर देता हूँ डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. अगर आप मुझसे कोई असिस्टेंट चाहते हैं, यू वांट टू कनेक्ट विद मी, माय सोशल मीडिया हैंडल लिंक्स आर आल्सो अवेलेबल इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. डू चेक दैट. अब बढ़ते हैं लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं. बट बिफोर हेडिंग टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन, जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आता है, वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल है, देन डू प्रेस द लाइक बटन, शेयर इट विद योर नीडी फ्रेंड एंड ऑल्सो डू शेयर योर फीडबैक इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. अब बढ़ते हैं अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं. लेट्स जंप टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन.
तो फ्रेंड्स आगे हमने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं फॉर द रोल ऑफ बिजनेस एनालिस्ट, वेदर द जॉब्स आर फॉर फ्रेशर, एक्सपीरियंस्ड. वीडियो आगे बढ़े उससे पहले जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिमाइंडर अबाउट माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू, जहां पे आपको मिलते हैं डेली बेसिस पे जॉब अपडेट्स रिलेटेड टू बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स, डेटा साइंस, पावर बीआई और सीक्वल डेवलपर रोल के लिए. तो आपने अभी तक अगर ये चैनल फॉलो नहीं किया तो डू फॉलो इट राइट अवे. अब बढ़ते हैं जॉब की तरफ. फर्स्ट कंपनी इन द लिस्ट इज स्विगी, हायरिंग फॉर बिजनेस एनालिस्ट, एक्सपीरियंस 1 to 3 years. जॉब लोकेशन इज इन बेंगलुरु. They are offering you remote or hybrid job opportunities. Salary 5 to 9 lakhs per annum. Education bachelor's degree in business administration, engineering, economics, finance, maths or stats. About the role, work with large complex data sets to solve business problems, applying advanced analytical methods as needed. Further, you need to monitor and forecast key business metrics regularly. You need to conduct regular planning and reviews, key performance metrics, and aid in benefiting from change. Further, design, run, and measure experiments to test business hypotheses. Develop compelling stories with business insights, focusing on strategic goals of the organization. And for this job role, you need to have certain key skills. These are experience in analytical data science or related field, hands-on experience on data manipulation tools like SQL, R or Python, exposure to BI platforms like Power BI, Tableau, and basic knowledge of machine learning techniques like regression, classification, etc. And one disclaimer, employees will have to freedom to work remotely all throughout the year. These employees who from a large majority. So it means you'll get the remote job opportunity, but once in a quarter or in a month, you need to visit to the site. And if you are okay with the job post and roles and responsibilities and technical skills, you can click on this link to apply for the job post. Let's move to the second job, which is for the company name WEBORITY, hiring for business analyst, experience 0 to 1 year. Location is in Gurgaon. Salary 3 to 5 lakhs per annum estimated. Education bachelor's degree in business administration, information system or related field. So if you are a fresher, you can apply for the job post. Roles and responsibilities: collaborate with the stakeholders to understand business objectives and requirements. Conduct in-depth analysis of business process, system and workflows. Create detailed documentation including business requirements, functional specification and user stories. Further support project implementation by providing insights and guidance to the development team. Collaborate with the cross-functional teams to drive process improvements and optimize efficiency. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a fresher over here. And they are looking for certain required skills, which are should have good experience in data mining and data analysis. Knowledge of Python, SQL would be a plus. A strong analytical and problem-solving skills. Ability to collaborate effectively with the stakeholders at various levels. Proficiency in using business analysis tools and software. And knowledge of agile methodologies would be a plus. So if you have experience of agile methodology, then that is good to go. If you have experience of Python and SQL, you have good knowledge of these two languages, then that would be an added advantage. And if you are okay with the job post, you can click on this link that is available in the description box to apply for the job post. Third company in the list is Accenture, hiring for business analyst, experience 2 to 3 years. Job locations is in Bengaluru. Salary is competitive. Education, a strong educational background in business, computer science or related field. About the role, lead the analysis of business requirements, working closely with stakeholders to identify and document business needs. Further, collaborate with cross-functional teams to design and implement business solutions, ensure alignment with business objectives and requirements. You also need to communicate technical findings effectively to stakeholders utilizing data visualization tools for clarity. And if I talk about the required skills, strong experience in business requirement analysis, experience with data analysis and visualization tools such as Excel, Tableau, or Power BI, strong analytical and problem solving skills with the ability to identify and resolve complex business problems, data analysis, predictive modeling, further solid understanding of business process and system, including experience with process mapping and modeling, and excellent communication skills and interpersonal skills with the ability to work effectively with cross-functional teams and stakeholders. And if you're okay with the required skills, you have required experience as well, you can click on this link to apply for the job post. Now, the fourth company in the list is WFE, which is World Fashion Exchange, hiring for business analyst role, experience 1 to 2.5 years. Job location is in Gurgaon. Education, university graduate, MBA would be preferred, and salary would be competitive. Roles and responsibilities: evaluate business process, anticipating requirements, uncovering areas for improvement and implementing solutions, leading ongoing reviews of business process and developing optimization strategies, documenting functional and technical design of business systems, managing projects, developing project plans and monitoring performance, updating implementation and maintaining procedures, prioritize initiatives based on business needs and requirements, and serving as a liaison between stakeholders and users. And for this role, you need to have required skills, sound knowledge of Microsoft Office projects like Excel, PowerPoint, Word, knowledge of Python and SQL would be a plus. Other technical skills which are good to have: requirement gathering, wireframing, Figma, SQL, and SSRS. And if you're interested for the job post, you can click on this link to apply for the job post. Fifth company in the list is Equi AI, hiring for business analysts, experience 2 to 3 years. Job locations in Noida. Education: graduate in engineering, quantitative subjects such as MBA, MTech, BTech, MCA, MSc. Salary would be negotiable. About the role, prepare and deliver reports, recommendations, or alternatives that address existing and potential trouble areas in the operating system. Coordinate and perform in-depth testing, including end-user review. Exposure to and knowledge of software product deployment is preferred. Exposure to and knowledge the private equity and financial service sector is preferred. Further review and work of colleagues and mentors and their skills development. Understanding of data gathering, inspecting, cleansing, transformation, and modeling diagram techniques. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform over here. If I'll talk about the technical skills, you should have experience in SQL, PL SQL procedures, exposure to Microsoft technology stack, preparation of prospective data sets for analysis, valuation of data sets. Experience in language like Python and VBA would be nice to have. And if you're okay for the job post, you can click on this link to apply. Sixth company in the list is Boundaryless, hiring for business analytics analyst, experience 2 to 4 years. Job location in Pune, education bachelor's or master's degree with 2 years of experience in data analytics, and salary would be no bar for the right candidate. Roles and responsibilities: client obsession, create client-centric analytical solution to business problems. Individuals should be able to have a holistic view of multiple businesses and develop analytics solution accordingly. Analytic project execution, deliver multiple and complex analytics projects. This would require an understanding of the business context. Proficiency in basic stats, hypothesis testing, segmentation and predictive modeling, and presentation skills. And if I'll talk about required skills, experience in Python R programming, machine learning and statistical model experience on working with P&L forecasting, product pricing, acquisition strategy projects, hands-on experience in SAS and SQL, and experience working with large multiple data sets, data warehouse, and ability to pull data using relevant program and coding. So these are some required skills and roles and responsibilities for the job post. And if you're okay with the location and if you have required experience, you can click on this link to apply for the job post. So friends, these are 6 jobs for the week, and I hope you like the video. In case you have any feedback, you can share in the comment section. Also, you can share this video to your needy friends as well. And do press the like button if these jobs are helpful. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.